West Bengal government, which is all set to bring in a new anti-rape bill in the special assembly session. The bill, which proposes capital punishment or death penalty for convicts in rape and murder cases, and has been named as Aparajita Women and Child Bill 2024. The draft bill that proposes to amend provisions of the newly passed BNS to enhance punishment and to ensure speedy investigation and trial for violence against women and children. In its statement for the purpose, the draft bill proposes to create safer environment for women and children, seeks to amend sections broadly pertaining punishment for rape, rape and murder, gang rape, repeat offenders, disclosure of victim identity, and even causing hurt by using acid, etc. The draft bill that is also slated to be introduced significant changes when it comes to the investigation and the prosecution process. It stipulates that a probe into rape cases must be completed within 21 days of initial report, a reduction from the previous 2-month deadline. To implement these changes, the draft bill also suggests creation of a special task force at a district level named Aparajita Task Force that would be led by a deputy superintendent of police. Now, this task force would be responsible for investigating offences under the new provisions of the draft bill.
ममता बनर्जी चाहते हैं इसके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी वो लॉ चाहिए, टाइम बाउंड ट्रायल एंड देन फांसी। तो हमारा जो ये स्टैंड है, ममता जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को भी लेटर लिखी है, उसके बाद नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मुख से थोड़ा ये बात आ रहा है। तो ममता जी पहले सोचा था और अभी असेंबली में ये बिल अभी आ रहा है और शायद कल वो पास हो जाएगा। तो ये तो सबको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। ये तृणमूल गवर्नमेंट ही पहला गवर्नमेंट है जो ऐसा बिल ला रहा है।
So as far as the TMC leaders who are lauding their own government at the pretense when it comes to getting a bill like this, which lays down stricter procedure when it comes to death penalty, TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee posted urging his party members to not speak ill of anyone, especially when it comes to the medical fraternity, and also saying that the party will not stop till the new provisions are implemented by the centre. However, this is the death for rape push that is all about the Aparajita bill, the new draft bill that is being brought about and is likely to be tabled in the assembly. The objective would be to maximizing punishment for raping women, maximum punishment for child sexual assault, to ensure that there is deterrence when it comes to sexual offences, and to ensure exemplary severe consequences as well, to ensure that there is an expeditious investigation and trial that takes place. Amendments that has been brought in, there is death for rape, rape murder, gang rape, death for repeat offenders, death for disclosure of victim's identity, death for causing hurt, and the use of acid, etc. Swift justice that it talks about is complete probe that has to be completed within 21 days. The special task force that has also been set up to expedite the investigations. Now let's talk about the opposition BJP, because the discussion that is slated to happen for at least 2 hours, and the BJP will be getting 1 of the hour, with all of the female MLAs of the BJP will be placing their speech on record. The question now is, will Mamata Banerjee be able to diffuse when it comes to the storm that has been generated by the Arjika rape and murder incident by bringing in this law and to be implemented in the state of West Bengal?
देखिए, सपोर्ट या ना सपोर्ट ये तो कल आप लोग देख पाएंगे, लेकिन धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं हमारे सम्मानीय एलओपी को कि आज सारे जो हमारे भाजपा के महिला विधायक सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया गया कि कल हम लोग अपना वक्तव्य रखेंगे। हमारे अभाया के लिए, सारे पश्चिम बंगाल के अभाया के लिए कल सारे महिला विधायक बात रखेंगे।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.